friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. So this is our first video on CSS tutorial. So what is CSS? So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is a style sheet language which is used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in markup language. So basically what we have learned in HTML, hypertext markup language. So CSS is used to provide the styling and formatting to our HTML document. It provides an additional feature to HTML. It is generally used with HTML to change the style of web page and use interfaces. So let's see some of the introduction of CSS. So CSS is the language we use to style a web page. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. So it's provide the extra styling and formatting to our document. In this tutorial we will teach you CSS from basic to advanced level. So we will start with the basic coding where we will see how we can make use of CSS, how to declare the syntax and how to make use of CSS sheets in our code. So you can add new looks to your old HTML documents with the help of CSS. So let me show you one basic website which we have created with the help of HTML and CSS. By the end of this course you will be able to do this type of websites on your own. So this is one website which created with the help of HTML and CSS. Here we have the logo. Here we have different sections. As you have seen here, it gets the styling, home, services, about us and contact us. Here we have some text. Then we have your order section. Then services section. In services there are different services, like this is the website for the food ordering. So we have food order, food catering, bulk ordering section, and here our clients. So this is the website which is created with the help of CSS styling, and the basic code is written in HTML. So this was all about the CSS introduction. From the next video we will see the basic concepts of CSS and we will cover all the advanced level of CSS in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.